What's up everybody, I'm Daniel, this is Daniel About Tech, and today I'm filming and uploading the video one day earlier because I have a trip this week. Actually I'm traveling tomorrow on the Sunday, which is the day I generally shoot, so that's why I'll be posting this video one day earlier. But in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys something that a lot of you have asked me, because I posted last year a video on how you can install and run Windows on your Mac for free, okay, Windows 10. And that video, although a lot of people managed to actually get it to work, a lot of other people couldn't, and that is due to some mistakes. The video was not actually step by step and complete like I used to do. So this video will be a little bit more comprehensive in that matter, and you will leave this video knowing everything you need to run Windows 10 on your Mac like I am running right now. So as you guys can see, this is a fully functional Windows 10 running inside Mac OS, okay? So it is running, it is working, and everything works perfectly, alright? As you guys can see. So let's just go ahead and dig in. Okay, so in order to get Windows 10 running on your Mac, like I showed you in the intro of the video, you will need to download two softwares. The first software is Virtualbox, which is this software right there. This is the emulator per se of the operating system, and it is for free. Okay, I have the link in the description so you guys can go there and download. Make sure to download the latest version of Virtualbox. It doesn't matter to show which version I'm running right now, because in 2 or 3 days there will be a new version, for example, and then that's worthless. So just download the newest version that you can on Virtualbox. And you're obviously gonna need a Windows 10. Okay, Windows 10 right here. Windows 10 you can download directly from Microsoft website. I'll have the link in the description as well, and I'm gonna show you how you can download it. It's very easy, but I'm just gonna show you. So you go to the link, you go to this page right here. So then you have to select the edition, okay? And the edition you will want is Windows 10, obviously. You confirm. Then you have to get a language. So let's get, for example, English, and then confirm. And then you will need to download the 64-bit version, okay? 64-bit version. So download that. I'm not gonna download because I already have it. Okay, so that's pretty much all you need. So then you have Virtualbox, and then you have Windows 10. Leave it in the desktop, it's just easier for you later. Okay, so this is the machine I showed you in the intro of the video. We're not gonna mess with that. I'm just gonna show you how you can create one from scratch. Okay, so you have to go to New. Your Virtualbox will be pretty much like that. Sorry, but without all of that, all of this information will be pretty much blank. So you just go to New, and you'll be prompted with this exact screen. So then you can create any name. I'm just gonna put Windows 10, and I'm gonna put YouTube. So type Microsoft Windows version Windows 10 64-bit. Important to get the same version, so 64, not 32. Continue. This is the memory, the RAM memory. They suggest 2 gigs. I put 2 gigs, runs smoothly, no problem. So continue. Hard disk, again, they suggest 32 gigs, so you can just go ahead and create a virtual hard disk now with 32 gigs, no problem. Create. And then the type of the hard disk, the file type, VDI, the standard one, no problem with that one. Continue. Storage on physical hard drive. You can go for dynamically allocated. I'm sorry, it will get bigger and bigger if you need to. Okay, this is the memory, of course. And then the file location and size, you can just go ahead and create. It will create the folder automatically for you. Okay, once that's done, you have your virtual machine right here, just like I had the one before. So then all you need to do is go ahead and start. Once you start, it's gonna ask you for the Windows 10 file. I'm just zooming because I got too small. So then you're gonna go and need to click this folder right here. This is the file selection, and then desktop. Mine is on the desktop, depends on the location of yours. And then Windows 10 okay, open, and then you don't have that problem anymore, and you can go ahead and start. I'm gonna leave it zoomed in like this. Oh no, it's better to leave zoom out. Alright, so there it is, it's starting up. Okay, sorry if this video gets a little bit long. I'm gonna try and cut as much as possible and speed it up. Like, I'm gonna edit to make it as short as possible, okay? But I want to show you all the screens so you don't like get confused, or you don't get errors, or don't get it to work. I want you to see all the screens, and I want this to be working for you. Okay, so language to install, you pick your language. Time and currency format, you pick yours. Keyboard input, you pick yours, okay, depending on where in the country in the world you are. Next, and install now. Then it's gonna ask me for the serial number or the activation code, and that's the part a lot of people got mistakes in my previous video that I wanted to get it short, and that's because they didn't see this little thing. So right here you have the option to put I don't have a product key. Can you see right there? In the bottom is a link. So I don't have a product key, and that's it. But let's continue because we have a lot of steps to go. I'm sorry. So you can go for Windows 10 or Windows Pro or Windows 10 Home. Okay, this is the type of operating system you want to install. I'm gonna go for the Pro because it has more features. So next, and then you have to accept the license terms. Now here, this is important. Since this is not an upgrade to an older Windows operating system, this is a new one, so you have to put install Windows only advanced. This is the custom version, so this is the second one right here, because this is a new machine. And right there you can go for drive 0 unallocated and allocated space. Next. So you don't have to do anything, just next. Don't mess with this. And then you're pretty much good to go. Now you don't need to do a lot of things, but you still need to put some other information, okay? So I'll just cut all of that crap, alright? I'm just gonna cut, and just show the bits that you actually have to interact and put information. Okay, that was painfully slow. It says Windows needs to restart to continue. So leave it as it is, don't touch it, don't do anything. Don't press any key to boot from CD or DVD as it says here. Okay, don't do anything, just wait for it. Okay, we restart automatically. This process is pretty much all automatic. You just need to do a few things to get it to work. Okay, it's finishing up the installation, getting ready. Okay, it booted up again. Don't worry about it. And it started the final step-by-step installation part. So use Express settings right here. Don't read that crap, it's not important. And as I said, all of those, just a moment and things, I'm just gonna cut everything. Alright, I'm just gonna show you the part that I need to actually interact. Okay, it says hi, but it's not done yet, because this is slow. Okay, who owns this PC? You put I own it and next, and then you're gonna need to put your Microsoft account information. Okay, if you don't need it, if you don't have one or just don't want to put it, you can have this option to skip right here. Skip this step, so you don't have to create that completely useless account. And create an account. This is necessary. Okay, so then just create a username. That's a good hint. Okay, we can start finally. Alright, so here we have it. This is Windows 10 fully functional inside Mac OS. I'm running the Mac OS El Capitan, but you can do this in the Yosemite or even older versions. So I'm happy this is working. I'm happy I can show you this, and this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, please make sure to hit the comment section down below, and also hit the like button down here. This is very important to me, and the subscribe button is very important to subscribe so you watch all my latest videos. So that's pretty much it, guys, and I see you in 2 weeks. Bye bye.